Hello, my name is Basharan. I was born in Sri Lanka, but I live in Canada right now. Last year I went to Istanbul, Turkey to do the hair transplant. I did a hair transplant with Smile Hair Clinic. Uh, when I was at the clinic last year, I asked the doctor, please make me look younger. But doctor say to me, he will decide with how many grafts they can get it from my donor area. And so I got 4,700 graft. So doctor said to me, so he can cover it up entire my head. So I finished today 9 months. Today how I am very happy with my hair transplant with Smile Hair Clinic. But I look more younger and I'm very happy. I want to thank my doctor, my surgeon, Feridabs Amidov, and very helpful with all that team, Smile Hair Clinic technicians, and they are very helpful and support, and it's a good clinic. I will recommend anyone who want to do the hair transplant, go with Smile Hair Clinic. The main reason is I don't pay too much money. It's very less money I paid is worth it, and very experienced doctors and technician. They do very careful with patient, and I am very happy with the result. But my hair growth is still going on, so doctors say it'll take up to like a year, like 18 months. But I am almost very happy with the 9 months result, and I want to thank especially every team members, Smile Hair Clinic, and my doctor Feridabs Amidov, and thank you forever entire my life.